Hello my crafty friends, it's Liz here. Today I will be doing the unboxing of your Creative Studio subscription box. This box was the November box, and I am just going to give you a quick show of what's in the box this time, as well as a quick project share after I show you some of the items on what I've done with some of the pieces. And I think I mentioned before, a previous video, that if I'm doing an unboxing or a design project of some sort, I will try to make a project that I can share with one of you as my subscribers. So stay tuned to the end of the video for details on that. I'm really liking the theme of this box, and it has, I guess the deer is the theme. As always, they include such a variety of pieces, and I really like these little stickers because they've got like a really nice vintage, ticket look to them. And I especially like these purple and green ones. I really like the colored paper ones because it is hard to, kind of come across those, at least for me. I don't have access to a lot of those, so it's nice to see those. So I had gone ahead and opened up some of the bags so that, I save a little time in opening them, but I had not pulled anything out. And these are super cute. It's a set of 4 stamps that are like little deer stamps, which is really adorable. I really like their cling stamps. This one is the washi tape. I'm just trying to see what it looks like here. And thank you for the tips and suggestions. The last time I mentioned one of the washi tapes was kind of tearing every time I tried to open it, and someone suggested putting it in the microwave for a few minutes, and not minutes, seconds, to let the glue kind of warm up. So it worked. That definitely worked. I guess it's just temperature is sometimes kind of tricky with washi tapes. So that was a really good tip. This is another cling stamp, and look at this interesting lady deer. That is really interesting. I really like the frame around it as well. It's really cute. Very different than what I've seen before. There's a little bookmark here, which is really, really cute. How many of you use bookmarks still in your, when you're reading or doing your journaling, etc.? I find that I don't use them as often. But now that I have one, I probably will start for sure, because it's just that much easier, right? To just know where you left off. And the next piece, I'm just pulling everything out and then kind of sorting through them as I go. Another envelope, and it's got a larger cling stamp. This is a really nice one as well. And we've got a really nice set of stickers. I like that they are like see-through, so it's really nice. You can put them on anything. And this little pack of faux stamps, it's also stickers. We did get one, I think, last month in the October one, a little bit different, but it's really nice to get these because they're so versatile. And if you're always looking for a little something to add maybe to a collage, these are perfect. Look at the little squirrel, little cats. So it's such a variety in here, which is really, really adorable. I hope you're all doing well, my friends. I can't believe it is like a couple days to Christmas Eve. This year has been another roller coaster, and I'm just really hoping that next year brings us all a better year. Stay safe, my friends. Follow safety precautions as much as you can. It's better safe than sorry, I always say, right? So it's it's one of those things that I think it's best to do. Okay, so look at these here. Very nice. I really like these ones as well. And it's always great to have stickers like these, because you can really use them in any project, and probably even in your journals. I will link the details for their shop, as always, in the description box below. I also do have a playlist of unboxings that I have for your Creative Studio, so you can get an idea of what it has been included in some of the previous boxes. I actually like to look at, each year, the different things that they've included when it comes to the month and the theme. It's just always nice to look back and see, what was sent, and then how it kind of coordinated nicely. So these are tags, and I really like how thick this paper is. This is really nice thick paper, and the center, the actual little hole is cut up as well, so I'll just pop that one out and you can see just how nice that looks. This is a very nice tag, really like that. And then you've got some vellum pieces as well, so I'll be showing you how I'm using some of these in the next few seconds. Okay, so let me show you what I did with some of the pieces. So these are called pocket letters. That's how I know them. And basically it's these little sleeves. They are the baseball card sleeves. These ones, I've cut them so that I just have 3 in a little row. I did show you a video recently with another project that has something similar, and I will link that below if you haven't seen it. What I did here, and hopefully it's, you know what, I think I might pull them out so that there's not so much glare. So what I did on this side, I used the sticky note, and then I just added to a piece of scrapbook paper. And then I've got these little book page kind of rolled pieces just to give it a little bit of dimension. And the whole purpose of a pocket letter is that you decorate the front, so what the person is going to see. And then on the back of the pocket, you add things that they can use in their own projects. So this one, for example, on the back, I've added a few of these for the recipient. The center one, what I did, if you can see here, is I cut up the vellum, one of the vellum pieces. I cut it to size. And then I added one of those wooden elements. It's like a little leaf. I added one of the stickers, and then fussy cut the bird from packaging, and I just added it to that background. So I'll still be adding something in the back of this pocket before this gets sent out. And then on this side, what I did is I made a little tiny envelope with my printable. This is from my vintage coffee stain doilies printable. And I made a little envelope. I added a sticker of, you know, one of the little deer. And then in the actual envelope itself, I've added some of the little stamps. And then the back of it, some of the stickers that came in this little vintage box. But the back of it itself, I added these 2 little file folder, and I'm putting this in quotes because I've used a project where I've made these and they actually look like little file folders. And then I also have some of those whale tabs, I think that's what they're called, and these ones have just been punched out from magazine pages. So that's what's on the back. And like I said, I still need to figure out what I want to add to the back of the center one, but that's the idea of it, is that I can put this in an envelope. It's almost flat. I did add some, you know, dimension, but I think it can still go through as flat mail. And that is the whole purpose of a pocket letter. So it's super fun to make. You know, you get to decorate your pockets on the front however you want. And then, like I said, the back you use for adding your little pieces that you are sending in the mail. So as I had mentioned before, whenever I'm doing an unboxing video or a design project style video where I can make something and share it with one of you, I'm going to do that. So if you want to win this, leave a comment below. Let me know where you're watching from, and let me know what you ask Santa for Christmas. So just leave that comment below. As always, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. I would love it if you like the video, if you hit that notification bell, and like I said, leave a comment below. And if I remember to check out my other videos for this month, if I have had any other unboxings or design projects, I should have in the description box how you can enter the giveaway for that month. And once the video hits 1,000 views, then I'm going to pick a person from the comments to win something that I have made in that video. So for this video, someone will win this piece. And like I said, I'll pick from the comments. And, you know, I may, if you have entered this video and I see your comments on another video this month as well, I'll give you an extra entry. I hope this gave you some ideas on how I would use the pieces. A lot of the things you probably would have already. I'm just sort of adding to what came in the box and what I had around. Thanks so much for stopping by.